Difference between del, remove, and pop on lists. Is there any difference between these three methods to remove an element from a list?
The effects of the three different methods to remove an element from a list. Remove removes the first matching value, not a specific index. Del removes the item at a specific index. And pop removes the item at a specific index and returns it. Their error modes are different too.
Use del to remove an element by index, pop to remove it by index if you need the return value, and remove to delete an element by value. The last requires searching the list, and raises value error if no such value occurs in the list. When deleting index I from a list of n elements, the computational complexities of these methods are:
Since no one else has mentioned it, note that del, unlike pop, allows the removal of a range of indexes because of list slicing. This also allows avoidance of an index error if the index is not in the list.
Already answered quite well by others. This one from my InSmile. Evidently, pop is the only one which returns the value, and remove is the only one which searches the object, while del limits itself to a simple deletion.
Many good explanations are here, but I will try my best to simplify more. Among all these methods, remove and pop are postfix while delete is prefix. Remove is used to remove first occurrence of element. Remove in first occurrence of n in the list. Pop is used to remove element. If no index is specified, pop equals greater than from end of list. If an index is specified, pop index equals greater than of index. Warning, dangerous method ahead. Del, it's a prefix method. Keep an eye on two different syntaxes for same method, with and without. It possesses power to delete index. Del index equals greater than used to delete by index and its associated value, just like pop. Delete values in range, index underscore 1 column index underscore n. Del a 0 column 3 equals greater than multiple values in range. Last but not least, to delete whole list in one shot. Del a equals greater than as said above. Hope this clarifies the confusion.
If you want to support the channel, please subscribe.